Hi y'all, this is Betty Crocker Delight Super Moist German Chocolate Cake Mix. There's pudding in the mix. And this is Betty Crocker Frosting Coconut Pecan, rich and creamy. Very yummy together. Y'all should try this. We got hungry for some German chocolate cake, so I threw this together. It's just box, Betty Crocker's. I hadn't tasted it yet. I'm going to taste it now and see if I like it. Oh, it's moist. It's really good. I have my I have a convection oven, so it cooks really good. Um, just have a regular oven. So it's 13 by 9. I cooked it for 35 minutes. But that's gas convection. Ovens will vary. Let me see what it says on there. 35 minutes. I always cook mine the highest, what it says, not 30, because with convection, the way it cooks with air, you need that extra time. Okay, y'all. It's going to be yummy in my tummy. Goodbye, y'all. That's all I got. Just want to tease you with some cake. And one day I'll make one from scratch. The frosting is not from scratch either. It will look different when I make it, because I make it with eggs and coconut and nuts, and you'll see one day I'll make a real one. Won't be a box one. It's still good though. Oh, I about dropped my phone. Okay, y'all. Oh, an update on Mrs. Phyllis Stokes. Um, she passed away. If y'all haven't heard yet, she gave it all she had. Bless her heart. Prayers for her family. Thank y'all. Goodbye. Place your frosting on top of the stove while the cake is baking. Wait 10 minutes after the cake cools, then frost.